Though Jean-Jacques Rousseau was considered one of the greatest Enlightenment thinkers, many of his ideas were contrary to Enlightenment ideals and helped to influence the next era in thinking, the Romantic period. His first influential writing, the Discourses, were written for an essay contest put on by the Academy of Dijon. His first discourse, Discourse on the Sciences and Arts, uses several historical examples, including Egypt, China, and Greece, to assert that progress in arts and sciences decreases morals in all aspects of society, the antithesis of Enlightenment thinking. His next discourse on the origin of inequality is much more in line with Enlightenment thinking. Rousseau concludes that humans are naturally peaceful and equal, but socialization has made humans unequal, competitive, and egotistical. This second writing was considered by Rousseau to be one of his greatest works, but was not widely received. His last discourse on political economy is sometimes considered a precursor to his famous social contract and introduces the general will concept. He asserts a politically sound state does three things: follows the general will in every action, makes sure individual will is in line with general will, and realizes it must satisfy public needs. His next work, The Social Contract, expands on his political ideas and was so radical it was banned by Parisian authorities. His work on education, Emile, was also banned by authorities, but largely for the reason that it was considered anti-religious. The fourth book of his work, The Profession of Faith of the Savoir Vicar, discusses how people should be educated religiously. It tells the story of an exiled man who was aided by a priest who explains his views. His speech is comprised of many ideas contrary to Orthodox Christianity, which led to its banning. He greatly influenced the works of Immanuel Kant, another leading Enlightenment thinker. Perhaps his political ideas and ideas on the rules of women were the most significant. He believed since women were weaker than men, they need and desire men, where men only desire them. In addition, men were much more suited to theoretical types of thinking. As a result, women have a natural role as a wife. He does, however, say women are more practical and cleverer than men. Overall, though his philosophies are contradictory and flawed in some places, his ideas have greatly influenced Western society as a whole and ushered in a new age of thought, the Romantic era. Thank you for watching Wynne, Shelby, and Jacques' Third Period AP European History 3-Minute Philosophy Project for the beautiful Miss Cotton.